how to find a forgotten username on X. So if you've forgotten your Twitter username, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and recover this. Now, the first thing you can obviously do is you can click on Forgot Password over in the bottom left hand side. You can then type in either your email address or your phone number and go and press next. It then may give you the option to enter your password in order to gain access to your account. If you don't have this, you can always click Forgot Password and you can just go through the recovery steps. Now, if that's not working, I'm going to show you another way to do this. So using the search box on your phone, go and type in passwords and open up this app. You could then use the search box at the bottom of the page and go and search for Twitter and click on X like so. You can see right at the top, here is our Twitter username, and that's just another way to recover a forgotten username. Now, there is one more way to do this as well. So what you can do is go and open up your email account that's registered to your Twitter. Once you're on your email, you can use the search box to go and search for Twitter. And then if you have any emails from Twitter or X, you can go and select that email and you should be able to find your username from here as well. So that's how to find a lost username on Twitter. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.